So today, I will be introducing a software application named Microsoft Power BI. So, Microsoft Power BI is an interactive data visualization software product that is developed by Microsoft. This software is equipped with a variety of primary tools regarding business intelligence. As you can see, there are three main segments on the dashboard, which are filters, visualization, and data. The filter segment is to sort information and data based on the parameters that we choose. Next, for the visualization segment, just like its name, it is to analyze our data and present them in graphs, such as stacked bar chart, clustered bar chart, and also pie charts. You can also format the data page according to your liking. And lastly, the data segment is a place where we are able to see what our data is about. Now, let's start visualizing our data in Microsoft Power BI. First of all, we will have to click the button Get Data on the top left of this dashboard. Then, we locate our file and load it inside Microsoft Power BI. The Transform Data button is for data modification, if you want to modify the values in our data. If you don't want to do so, we just proceed by loading our data into Microsoft Power BI by pressing Load right here. Now let's visualize our data. In the visualization segment, I've chosen clustered column chart to represent our data. From the data segment, I have chosen GBP, which is British Pound Sterling, UR, Euro, and CAD, Canadian Dollar, and we would like to compare and represent these data in a clustered column chart. So as you can see, a clustered column chart is generated, and we can see that the sum of exchange rate for Euro is the highest when compared with GBP and CAD. So, in the same visualization segment, under this format visual, you are free to change the font of the titles, the color of each clustered column, and even the background color. Next, let's visualize our data in a different chart. Here, I will choose the card form. This will still show us the sum of currency exchange rates, but in the simple form that are like flashcards. Again, we can choose our countries from the data segment, and I have chosen GBP, USD, CAD, and AUD. This card graph is a simpler way for us to see the sum, and we can just stretch the graph for a better view for reading. Next, let's create a pie chart consisting of only the sum of USD current exchange rates. Here, I am clicking column 1 in the data segment because this will allow us to show the year date of each analysis from the year 2018 until 2023. By clicking column 1, we will have a clear picture of each analysis for each year. I am now choosing a donut chart for our next visualization. Lastly, let's construct a line chart between the sum of exchange rates between Canadian and Australian dollar along the years of 2018 and 2023. So, that is how we make use of the tools in Microsoft Power BI to analyze our data. Many types of graphs and charts were able to be completed. This software helps us to develop interactive reports regarding our data without having to construct our own visuals and controls. This saves us time as the tools and icons in Microsoft Power BI are direct and easy to understand without having to code any commands unlike other softwares just for the sake of generating a graph. That's all from me. Thank you.